Hey everyone, welcome back to the Peterson Bronco. Today with my buddy AJ.
Hello.
Who also has a Bronco. It's a 2021 Wildtraks. Today we're going to be replacing his rear bumper and putting a rear tire guard on his 21 Wildtrak. And I'll show you a little bit of a walk around of it. So this is AJ's 2021 Bronco Wildtrak. So we have it in the shop here today to do some work. And I also brought in mine so that I can have access to all my tools that I keep in the back. But yeah, so just a really quick walk around. I know the one thing I know for sure that's different between ours is we both have the Wildtrak, but mine's a 22, his is the 21. With the 21, you have the temperature indicator on the dial. Do you know of any other differences that they changed?
No, I don't actually know.
Yeah, I think that's really the only difference is they saved a chipset basically by removing the temperature indicator on the dial. So anyways, going to do a time-lapse photo of the bumper and tire guard install. Hey everyone, so we are now done the install of the rear bumper and that tire guard on this 2021 Bronco Wildtraks. There was definitely some interesting situations that we had to work through, but hey, we got her done. So this is the full install of the DV8 rear bumper with a 3-inch cube light that we tied into his reverse lighting, and with the rear tire guard. So kind of the things that we had to deal with was the DV8 bumper, the sensor locations don't match the OEM bumper, so we had to rebuild that wiring harness. And then with the Sasquatch, the offset of the rim made it that we had to do some kind of shenanigans there on mounting that spare tire. But we got everything done, looks awesome, and yeah, so that closes out the video. But please, take the time to like, subscribe, and share, and follow along with the other builds that we do on this channel.